Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you this product here, Lovense Calor. The features at the back here, it says it's there's a lot of features on here. It's waterproof, it's body safe, and there's like a year warranty, and you can control it from locally if you have their app, like the Lovense app, or you can have a long distance control where if you had like a friend or a partner that lives maybe from another town or country, and then both of you have that same toy, then you can link up, add each other into that app, and you can control his or her toys, you know, like remotely. That's actually quite handy, you know, if you're long distance, you know, not close to each other. It's Bluetooth, portable. It's got a soft silicone inside. Features multiple features: vibration, squeezing, heating, and depth control. Programmable with 3 vibration levels and up to 10 patterns. Designed for solo play, close range, long distance control. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty much a lot of that information is at the back here. But I'm pretty sure you guys are probably curious to see what is inside. So that is what I'm gonna be doing. So we'll just open this up. Is that the right way to open it? I think it is. Let's see if it's here. Let's grab that. Okay. It's made in China, yeah, from Lovense. So open it up now. Okay, so inside we have this here. That's what it looks like inside. And this is what it actually looks like inside. Okay, so they have, I think, a charging stuff in here. Quick setup guide, and then there's a bag. Take these out. Quick setup guide. User manual, and then a bag. And to store it in there. And here you have your you have your cable. You have your charging cable right here in this box. Yep, so it's a USB. It's like an attached to the device. So that's pretty handy in a nutshell. So I'll just see if we can open this up. Let's see how to do that. Okay, I'll have to look at the manual to see how this sets up, you know. So that's one. Shows you the buttons and, you know, the indicator lights and specification. Magnetic chargers, just telling you like what features features there is, warranty, and then quick setup guide. Okay, this was pretty much basic, just tells you what to do, like charging when you're using it for the first time, how to turn it on, and what buttons are which. There's these button modes on there. Yeah. Heating feature. Yeah, pretty much gives you an idea of how it works. Okay, so you open that. So there's a cover here, and then it's inside here. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh, so you can open both these. Right here. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, with that probably moves around a bit. This one. It's made of, like, I think so. Yeah, it feels quite soft inside. Yeah, pretty good. And then that's where you put the charging thing here. I showed you the cable earlier. So open this up again. Okay, so here, you just attach it here, mate. Yeah. Yeah, like that. And then you plug that into the USB. Charge it to USB. Yeah, alright, so I think that pretty much sums it up. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around.